Let us take a look at this component. It's under curve analysis. Let us find the midpoint of a line. Right there. Very simple. Now, we need to go back to params and select the curve that we want to analyze. In this case, I'm going to select this one. Notice that if I connect this one, the midpoint will be right there. How about if we select the polygon? Oh, the polygon will be here. So we need to go back and select the tab surface, and there we find BREP wireframe. So if we connect the polygon to this one, look at the output. We have 6 lines. Now we can find the midpoint of each one of those edges. If we select the square, now we find the midpoint of each one of those edges. So don't forget, this one is really handy and you can find it right here, the midpoint of a curve.